Hi, today we are with John Wickman. He's a real estate attorney. Hi, John.
Good afternoon, Marie.
So tell us a little bit about your experience as a real estate attorney.
I have been an attorney in the state of Florida since 1995. So in my 28 years, I have closed thousands of real estate transactions, both residential and commercial, during that time, helping both buyers and sellers achieve their aims in closing real estate transactions, getting their properties purchased, getting their properties sold.
Excellent. One of the questions that I always get from my clients, they ask why use an attorney or a title company?
Well, it's a huge question because there are so many reasons why you ought to entertain that, both as a real estate professional like you and as a purchaser or seller of real estate. The cost for title insurance is the same, whether or not you use a title company or whether you use a real estate attorney, or in my case, a board-certified real estate attorney certified by the Florida Bar as an expert in real estate law. The premiums are set by state law, so it's the same no matter where you go. The differences really depend upon the amount of training, expertise, education, and all the things that underlie the practice of real estate law. Title insurance agents, they have to pass a 40-hour course to get a license to issue title and close real estate transactions. The problems that I've seen, unfortunately way too often, is that lesser amount of training, the lesser amount of education, the lesser amount of experience and capability results in unintended consequences. And sometimes that can be really unfortunate for a buyer of real estate in particular, but it can affect a seller as well. And so I guess what we'd like to bring to the table is the expertise that will both help real estate professionals work with their buyers and sellers in achieving their aims, protecting the realtors, protecting the buyers and sellers from bad results, quite frankly, results that can sometimes cost a lot of money.
You have a certain type of education that just a few people in the state of Florida have.
In the state of Florida, there's something like 109,000 attorneys licensed to practice law. The Florida Bar recognizes specialization in about 25 different fields, one of which is real estate law. And of those 109,000 attorneys, last I checked, it was about 470 or so attorneys in the state, less than 0.5%, who are certified by the Florida Bar as experts in our field, experts in real estate law. And that expertise and that designation as a board certified lawyer only comes with a minimum of 5 years of practice, specialization, a whole bunch of extra educational courses, and a really difficult exam that the passage rate is only 27%.
Wow.
For people who are college graduates, law school graduates, members of the bar, practicing all these years, doing this work, and it's just a really high bar. So yes, real estate attorneys who have that board certification have demonstrated that competence, passed a peer review, and must maintain a higher educational threshold than the rest of our attorney friends that don't have that same board certification. And pretty much all of that is more by a fair sight than the real estate title closing companies.
Well, thank you, John. I really appreciate you sharing that information with us today. We'll put your information in down below, and if anyone wants to contact you and has a question, we can have them contact you.